Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to easily and quickly change your nickname, username or your legal name in PayPal. So this method works for both desktop and mobile version. First of all, make sure to log in with your right credentials. Once you're in this dashboard, you can see the settings option next to logout. Click it. It will redirect you to your profile settings and information. Select update right next to the join date or under your last name. After that, you have to select the type of name to change, either your legal name or to update your nickname. If you choose to update your nickname, you can easily do it. If you choose to update your legal name, you have to bypass or update your documents, like you have to upload a copy of your ID and one of these documents like marriage certificate or divorce or commitment, or a copy of the legal document showing your name change. Make sure to follow any updated instructions. After you do that, your request will be sent to PayPal in order to review it, and they will get back to you after a short period of time. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure you subscribe and see you on the next one.